actually turned out pretty nice. I got AirPods Max. Make my 2023 vision board. My hair is completely a mess right now. I'm probably gonna wear a hat, but I don't know if I should wear a cap or a beanie. I honestly think the beanie makes more sense because of the weather and it's like freezing out, but I kind of like the cap style better. We'll be running errands today. I do have a lot of places to stop by, so that will be the plan. It is snowing so much and it's so windy as well. But yeah, I just got to the mall. I have to pick up some items here and I do have to go to another mall to buy my mom's gift for my brother because he always leaves everything to last minute. So I have to get his gift for mom. Hi, good, how are you? So I finally picked up my order from Apple and I got AirPods Max. I'm so excited. I've been thinking about getting this for a while. Finally decided to get myself a little Christmas gift. My mom's gift is secured. So I just finished getting everything I need and picked up all my Christmas gift and everything. Now I'm just gonna get my nails done. It has outgrown a lot, so I'm gonna get a new set. I'm thinking of getting like a same French nail but in red color just because it's Christmas, you know, and I thought it would be a nice change. I just finished getting my nails done. I decided to do a red French tip and I'm honestly obsessed with it. It turned out really nice and I'm so happy. Okay, I finally got home. I have to wrap up my gift. Our family's doing a Secret Santa. We pretty much do it every year, so I have to wrap up the gift that I got from my person. I just got this red box to just put in my gift. I didn't really want to wrap or anything, so that'll do. Okay, so this is what I got for my sister. She wanted a snow pants, so that's what I got her. Well, she pretty much knows what she's getting, so there's not really a surprise there, but still, it literally fits like perfectly in the box, so that's good. And this is my lazy way of packing. I'm just gonna tape the box on the side and everything, but this is literally it. Okay, so I wrapped my gift and I also helped my brother wrap his gift as well. So this is done. I'm actually thinking of wrapping my AirPod Max as well, just because, you know, there's just one more thing to open for Christmas, which is pretty exciting for me. So I think I'm just gonna actually wrap it for myself and put it under the tree. Ta-da! This is the gift for myself that I just finished wrapping and are ready to go underneath the tree. just finished with my hair. I'm just gonna let it sit for a while like this. I'm just starting to do my makeup now. Today is Christmas Eve and our family decided to do like our whole Christmassy things today just because tomorrow I have work in the evening and everyone's home today, so we thought it might be a better idea to do everything today. We might actually exchange our gifts today as well. We're gonna be going to dinner and then we're gonna be watching Avatar as well, so I'm super excited. I've been wanting to watch it for a while, but before we do that, we're actually gonna do a little cute family photo shoot. We like to do that every once in a while, just for fun. We all got like matching pajamas to wear, so that's gonna be really cute. Okay, so I changed into my PJ. I'm just gonna get rid of the hair rolls now. It actually turned out pretty nice. I'm quite happy with my hair today. Everything is set up now. I just finished getting ready to head for our dinner. It's an early dinner because it's only 3 o'clock and our reservation is at 4. But this is what I'm wearing for today. I am wearing this long cargo skirt that I recently got from Zara, and then this fur coat is from Mango. And I'll be wearing like my black ankle boots. I'm ready to head out. We came to this Fishman Lobster Clubhouse. Super excited.
No one's strong.
Yeah, this is lobster with salted egg yolk.
We got home after the dinner and I clearly just took shower. I worked out actually after I got home and I took shower, and now we're headed to the movies to watch the Avatars. I'm quite excited. Merry Christmas everyone. It is currently 5 p.m. on Christmas Day, but I just came out to head to work. I am actually flying out to India today, so I'm super excited for a little bit of a warmer weather than here in Toronto. I'm not really planning to do anything special there, but I definitely want to just relax with the warm weather, and I've been craving Indian food for a while, so I'm super excited for that. Just checked into the hotel. This is like my, I think, 5th time coming here. I'm probably just gonna take shower and rest for tonight. It's been a very long flight for me, so I'm feeling super tired. I was able to take a nap on the flight, so that was good. Wake up early tomorrow. I'm gonna try to go to a spa and see if I can get some massage, but that's the plan. Good afternoon, everyone. I just came out to head to downtown since it's my day off today and the weather's super nice and it's not too cold, so I thought it would be a good day for me to just run some errands. Good evening, everyone. It's currently 5:20 and it's so dark outside. Like, it literally looks like it's 9 p.m. and I don't know if it's the weather or what it is with today. The past couple of weeks I've been super good with like eating healthy and like moving around a lot, but today I just woke up and felt super tired and didn't want to get up. Finally decided to get up and film one of the videos for you guys, which I did, and I'm super proud of myself for that because I really wasn't feeling it. Today is December 30th, which means in 2 days it's gonna be New Year's and 2023, so I definitely don't want to spend the last 2 days of 2022 feeling demotivated, and I thought today would be a great day for me to actually make my 2023 vision board. I did it last year as well, and I have this on my screen. This was my 2022 vision board, and honestly I was quite surprised at how many things I've accomplished within my vision board. If you look at it, I actually had wanted a tattoo on my elbow. I got that, and I also wanted a silver suitcase. I also got that, and I wanted to travel to Paris, which I did for work, and just like traveling in general I was able to do a lot of this year, which I'm super thankful for. And obviously because of that I do want to make my 2023 vision board again because obviously it has a positive impact. Also guys, I tested out my headsets yesterday for the first time outside, and honestly I'm so happy. This is literally one of the best purchases I've made in 2022. I was at the mall and it literally cancels out every single sound around you, and I was just able to listen to my music, and I was so happy. I'm just so glad I got it, and it looks so cool. But anyways, when I was at the mall I finally got a USB-C cable as well from Apple, because in order to charge this headset I need this. But yeah, if you guys are debating to get this headset or not, you guys should definitely do it. It's totally worth it. So I already made a couple lists of things that I want to include for my vision board, and I'm gonna kind of like go off of that list. So I'm gonna use Canva for my vision board. This is also what I've used last year as well. And then I'm just gonna start getting pictures from Pinterest, because obviously that's where I get the most inspirations from. So I finally finished with my vision board. I honestly really love how it turned out. I really do hope all these things do happen in 2023. I'm really manifesting it to be a really good year for all of us. With that being said, I'm going to end my vlog here. I will definitely see you guys in the new year. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the holidays and Happy New Year, everyone. Bye!